Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have root t is equal to t times root 10, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown we have to solve for. Now we are going to use two methods to solve this question. So two methods to solve this question. Now solution. So for the first method, the question is root t is equal to t times root 10. Now, what we are going to do is to square the both sides of the equation. So this becomes in brackets root t all squared is equal to in bracket t times root 10 all squared. From here, square cancel square root, what we have is t is equal to, and following this rule of indices, that if you have a, b, all raised to the power 2, this equals a squared times b squared. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is this, that t squared times in brackets root 10 all squared. Now from here, the value of t is equal to t squared times square cancel square root, what we have is 10. So then t is equal to t squared times 10 is 10t squared. With this, the next thing is to move t over to this side. So what we then have is this, that 0 is equal to 10t squared then minus t. Now rearranging this becomes 10t squared minus t is equal to 0. Now looking at this, we have a common factor which is t right here. So factorize out t. So t into bracket. If we divide 10t squared by t, what we have is 10t, then minus divide t by t, we have 1, all is equal to 0. Now from here, we can equate t to 0 and also equate 10t minus 1 to 0. So t is equal to 0, or 10t minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here, we have automatically gotten the value of t, the first value of t, as 0. So t equals to 0. Now from this other equation, that 10t minus 1 is equal to 0, move minus 1 over to this side. This becomes 10t is equal to plus 1. So then, to solve for t, divide both sides by 10 over 10. 10 cancel 10, the value of t is equal to 1 over 10. So with this, we have two values from here. T1 equals to 0 and T2 is equal to 1 over 10. So with this, we have gotten two solutions for the first method. So then, for the second method right here, second method, the question is root t is equal to t times root 10. So what we are going to do, in the previous one, we squared the both sides of the equation. Now, we are not going to square it. Instead, we are going to divide both sides by t. So divide by t. From here, t will cancel t. What we have is root t over t is equal to root 10. Now, there is a rule of indices that if you have root a, this can be written as a raised to power 1 over 2. So applying this right here, what we then have is t raised to power 1 over 2, then all over t is equal to root 10. Now, from here, we can express t as t raised to power 1. So this becomes t raised to power 1 over 2 over t raised to power 1 is equal to root 10. Now from here, there's a rule of indices that if you have a raised to power b over a raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b minus c. So you pick one of the base, and since they are joined by division sign, you subtract the powers. So applying the same rule right here also, we have the same base as tt, so pick 1 and then subtract the powers. So 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to a square root of 10. So from here, the next thing is to solve for the value of half minus 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1, what will be the value? Now we can write this as 1 over 2 minus 1 over 1. So then look for the LCM of 2 and 1. The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So 2 divided 2, 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 1 we divide 2 times 2 times 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, then over 2. So that means that the value of 1 over 2 minus 1 is minus half. So this becomes t raised to power minus 1 over 2 is equal to root 10. So from here, the next thing is to square the both sides of the equation. So in bracket, t raised to power minus 1 over 2 all squared is equal to, in bracket, root 10 all squared. From here, what will happen is that power 2 multiplies 1 over 2. This becomes t raised to power minus 2 over 2 is equal to square cancel square root. All we have is 10. Now from here, t raised to power minus 2 divided 2, we have 1. So minus 1 is equal to 10. From here, there is a rule of indices that if you have a raised to power minus 1, this equals 1 over a. So therefore, applying this right here, this will then become 1 over t is equal to 10. So 10 can be written as over 1. Then simply cross multiply. T times 10 is 10t is equal to 1 times 1 is 1. To then solve for t, divide both sides by 10 over 10. 10 cancel 10. The value of t is equal to 1 over 10. So we have gotten the solution of t using the second method. Now notice that for the second method, we only got one solution. But for the first method, we got two solutions, t1 equals to 0 and t2 equals to 1 over 10. So then let us confirm if these solutions are correct. Okay, so for the first solution, that t1 is equal to 0 and t2 is equal to 1 over 10. 1 over 10 is in the solution for both the two methods. Now the question is root t is equal to t times root 10. Root 10, okay? So then for the first solution of t, which is t1 is equal to 0. So inputting the value of t as 0, root 0 is equal to t0 times root 10. Root 0 is 0 is equal to 0 times root 10 is 0. So this means that the value of t1 is equal to 0 is the correct solution. So for the next solution of t, which is 1 over 10, I'm putting 1 over 10 into the question. So this becomes root t is 1 over 10 equals t 1 over 10 times we have root 10. From here, there's a rule that if you have root a over b, this equals root a over root b. So applying this rule right here, this becomes root 1 over root 10 is equal to 1 over 10 times root 10. Now from here, root 1 is 1 over root 10. With this equal, 1 times root 10 is root 10 over 10, question mark, question mark. So from here, the next thing is to look for the conjugate of the denominator right here, which is root 10. So this becomes 1 times root 10 over root 10 times root 10. With this equal root 10 over 10, question mark. Now with this, 1 times root 10 is equal to root 10 over root 10 times root 10 is root 100, and root 100 is equal to 10, and this is equal to root 10 over 10. So this means that the value of t, which equals 1 over 10, is also the correct solution. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.